Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO Find X3 Pro. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, click on the same options. Firstly, I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Finally, select Close in the white pop-up at the top. Click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Stick around on OPPO and choose one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. Thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can pick multiple files that you wish to transfer, and when you're finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with those two pictures. Now tap on Got It and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on OPPO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your OPPO's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers and connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!